my name's AJ. This is the first video I'm uploading to this channel. This channel's going to be all about my car. I'll be documenting any mods I do to it. I'm doing a lot of POV driving. I enjoy going for drives, so I thought why not record them. And yeah, so this is my BMW M4. It's finished in individual San Marino blue. It's not a competition, but that wasn't really a factor when I was buying the car because a lot of the stuff is going to get changed out, such as the suspension. But yeah, it's finished in individual San Marino blue. It's got the Silverstone white interior. It's honestly my dream spec. I got it a few months ago and I couldn't be any happier. I don't ever plan on selling this car. Some of the mods I've done to the car is CS style gloss black splitter. I did want to go for a carbon splitter, but I don't know how long these splitters last, and I'm not really trying to be wasting a lot of money on buying splitters. It's got the chrome grills, which I think really suits the car. I do eventually plan on getting silver wheels for this car to go with the chrome grills. So as you can see, it's got like diamond cut wheels. I don't have any side skirts. I don't know if I should get any. Let me just show you the interior real quick. Moving on to the back of the car, I've got a PSM style carbon spoiler and a carbon diffuser. I'm not sure what the diffuser is called, but I see a lot of people with the bulky diffusers. I'm not really a big fan of that. I think this suits the car perfectly. It's got a rain light, it's not plugged in. I got it for a good price, that's why I didn't get one without a rain light. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what kind of videos you guys enjoy. Obviously it's probably only about 4 people watching this video, so no one's really going to comment. But yeah, that's my car. We'll jump in, go for a POV drive, and yeah. So I've got the engine in sport, so the throttle response is a little more linear. If I put it in Sport Plus, I feel like you tap the throttle and all the power comes in at once, so you can't really modulate the throttle. I got suspension in Sport because UK roads, they're quite bumpy, and then steering and comfort. So yeah, I'm just going on some local back roads right now. I'm going to be sticking to the speed limit just because you can't be uploading stuff like that on YouTube. I'm not saying I do that, only in Mexico. But yeah, as you can see, these roads, they're so bumpy. So if the roads were quite smooth, I'd probably have the suspension in Sport Plus. I just feel like I got a little bit more control. The body doesn't really sway as much. But yeah, I'm doing about 50 right now. Probably do 50 around this corner. It's like the front end grip on this car is just crazy. I used to have a 440i before this. I'll put a picture up now, a few pictures up now of my 440i. It was in the same colour, it had the same headlights. It pretty much looked like the same car, it pretty much was. Besides the fact it's got a B58 and maybe softer suspension. But yeah, we got some nice roads coming up now. You'll see, I'll be doing the speed limit 60 miles per hour around all these bends. It's just like this car can go so much faster around these bends. Look, I'm literally just doing 60 and the car is not even phased. That's the main reason why I got this car over my 440i. It's like 60 around here with ease, no hesitation. A lot of people are scared about these rear-wheel drive cars. I honestly don't know why. Like I'm pretty sure I didn't even go past about 3,000 RPMs. Like this car is honestly mental. But yeah, we got a traffic light here. But yeah, while we're here, I'll just talk a little bit about my 440i. The main reason I didn't like that car was because honestly the suspension setup, it's not really set up for, you know, track usage or fast road usage. It's got an open diff differential, which is honestly horrible. This car's got an LSD. It makes it easy to slide, easy to go around corners. And another thing, the 440i, like you go around a corner, you can feel the car understeering, which you don't really expect from a BMW. But I got into this car, it's got the same tyres, and honestly, the front end grip on this car is amazing. Finally. We're in a village right now, so stick to 30. This car honestly handles so good, and it's not even a competition. Just under 3,000 RPMs. You can't really open the car on these kind of roads. I want to find a nice twisty road where it's just a load of corners. To when we get some good roads. Just so this video is not completely boring, I'll do a little launch. And that's 60. I don't really enjoy going fast in a straight line. I more so enjoy going fast around corners, going fast around bends. Because going fast in a straight line, you just put your foot down, that's it. Like, I don't understand how people find that fun. That's just me. I don't even know this road that well, so I'm not going to push it that much. It's like even on this, I'd consider this road quite bendy. And you can still go really fast around these bends in this M4. It's like I did 60 around there towards the end. 60 around this. They really need to update the highway code. Quite bumpy now. I don't want to unsettle the car. I think the fun bit of this road has ended now. It's getting quite wet, it's getting quite dark now. Let me know if you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see on the channel, any suggestions. But yeah, this is my first video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.